Breaking news, ladies and gents, the DOC has discovered the easiest and quickest way to draw enemy arms. According to them, drawing arms are one of the easiest drawing subjects, so simple a chimp can understand. This is due to the fact that arms contain three moving parts, which are the deltoid, elbow, and wrist. Given the arm's cylindrical shape, it creates the simplest breakdown, consisting of 2 cylinders and 3 spears, where spears represent the joints and cylinders for the arms. However, in spite of being the easiest human body part to draw, approximately 80% of artists allegedly tend to show 2 common anatomical syndromes in the subject, qualifying its victims to the emergency room. Godzilla syndrome or short arm syndrome is caused by proportional inexperience of an artist. This turns anime artists into illusion artists where either the torso or legs could be easily mistaken for being too anatomically long, which is supposedly awesome although it isn't. Flat arm syndrome is a syndrome that causes arm poses to look flatter than flattered conspiracies. One of the severe signs of flat arm syndrome shows that arms look bent, unnatural, and commonly stiff. This is common for artists showing no signs of foreshortening experiences, and urban legend has it that it flawlessly infects new artists like it gets paid for it. One misconception about arms, especially in anime style, is that they're straight. According to the Anatomical University, just because we straighten our joints doesn't mean you'll be as straight as a ruler. Our body structure is designed to be inconsistent, which helps us in terms of movement and flexibility. And this justifies the fact that perfect waifus come in imperfect shapes. And the reason why your arm drawings look flat and stiff is because your arms lack volume, shape, and foreshortening. And what gives our arms all these 3 things are our bones and muscles. Step 1. Draw a spear and a line. While I know I shouldn't explain this because it's mostly self-explanatory, this frame will help us shape our arms in future steps. As a reminder, please note that circles represent 3 joints and 2 lines for the upper arm and forearm. Step 2. Draw cylinders. As mentioned from several previous videos we made, cylinders accentuate the 3Dness of the human anatomy. Furthermore, cylinders give volume to the base drawing, which is significant if you want your waifu to look more realistic. Finally, start drawing the arm itself. Again, it is important to note that arms are not necessarily straight due to their bone and muscle shape. Furthermore, it depends on the body build of a character. In this case, we're focusing on a waifu, and you don't want her arms looking like a reverse prosthetic surgery gone wrong. While the tutorial doesn't end there, it gets better. Knowing the basics is just a penny of a dollar. Practicing them in different poses and angles is 99 of a dollar. Should you have any difficulties drawing arms, please refer to our reference by looking at your own arms or somebody's arms. If necessary, execute the necessary contingency plan when your partner's armpits smell like Chewbacca's hairy beanbag. If not, you may sit down, relax, and practice along. Based on the data provided by the DOC, people who are watching this video are allegedly looking for the best and easiest ways on how to draw. For more information, please call our 24/7 hotlines at 1-800-SUBSCRIBE, 1-800-POST notifications, 1-800-LIKE, and 1-800-SHARE. We also would like to give a moment to inform all of you that we're roughly halfway to 1K subscribers. Thank you all loyal weebs and art practitioners for joining and adhering to the journey like a legend. Let's help this channel grow faster, folks. So, have a great day or night. GF4K Arts,